Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Photomath during a test. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, using Photomath or any other similar tool during a test, unless explicitly allowed, is generally against academic integrity policies. Most schools and educational institutions consider it cheating to use external aids like Photomath during exams or quizzes. Here are some ethical ways to approach math tests and exams. Prepare in advance. Use Photomath as a study tool. Photomath can be a great resource for practicing and understanding math problems. Review step-by-step solutions to understand concepts, not just answers. Practice without help. As you get closer to the test day, practice solving problems without Photomath or any calculators. This will help you build confidence and retain what you have learned. Number 2. Learn problem-solving techniques. Many math tests assess your understanding of concepts and your ability to solve problems independently. Focus on learning techniques and strategies rather than just answers. When studying, use Photomath to check your work and identify mistakes rather than as a primary solution source. Number 3. Use permitted resource. Some tests allow specific calculators, notes, or formulas. Make sure you know what you are allowed to use and practice with those resources beforehand. Ask your teacher if you are unsure what resources are allowed during the tests. Using study tools like Photomath ethically can help you understand the material better and perform well on tests without needing to rely on outside help during exams. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.